Over the past 2 years, TikTok has grown to become one of the most trafficked social media sites, with its short video formats being adopted by multiple creators who have been convinced that short videos are the way now. Other social media sites such as Instagram have tried adopting the short video formats in their attempts to make themselves relevant in this era of social media, but with their efforts, they still haven't been able to reach the amount of traffic TikTok has. So why should you care about the traffic on TikTok? Well, with the high traffic TikTok has, you can use TikTok to make money by promoting products listed on ClickBank. If you don't know what ClickBank is a marketplace for affiliates whereby affiliate marketers can find products to promote and get an affiliate commission in return. In this video, we want to show you the details of how you can make money using ClickBank affiliate programs with the help of TikTok, so make sure to stick till the end of the video so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Sign up for a ClickBank account. The first thing you will need to do so as to make money on TikTok with ClickBank is to create a ClickBank account if you don't have one already. Creating a ClickBank account is easy and it's absolutely free. Make sure to set up your payout method so that you will be able to withdraw your affiliate commission once they start to roll in. Step 2. Choose a product to promote. Once you have created your ClickBank account, you will choose what product you would like to promote. You can choose as per your interest or even as per the affiliate commission percentage the product offers. The higher the affiliate commission percentage, the higher the amount of money you will pay, so keep that in mind as you choose your product. Once you have chosen a product, you will then generate your affiliate link which you will use on TikTok. Step 3. Set up a TikTok business account. Once you have your ClickBank account set up and your affiliate link active, this is where you will now use the power of TikTok to help you make money. You will need to upgrade your TikTok account to a TikTok business account because TikTok does not allow personal accounts to have links in their bio, of which you will need to be able to add links to your bio so as to put your affiliate links. Step 4. Add your affiliate link to your TikTok account bio. After upgrading your account to a TikTok business account, you will then add the affiliate link you got from ClickBank into your TikTok bio. The good thing with TikTok is that you can always easily change the link, so remember to always update your link in bio whenever you are promoting a different product. If you decide to promote multiple different products, you can use third-party software such as Linktree to host the multiple links at once, and then you can share the Linktree link in your TikTok bio. Step 5. Create relevant content on TikTok. Once you have set up your ClickBank account and also have all the links set up perfectly, you will then need to create content that is relevant on TikTok, and within the content, you will creatively promote the products you have the affiliate links for. To create relevant content that will perform well, you will first need to find your ideal niche. This niche can be around the product you are promoting. You will need to do some research to see what type of content works best in the niche you have chosen so as to reach the target audience you will be promoting the products you have affiliate links for. After finding your niche, you will need to follow the new trends in that said niche. TikTok often promotes content that is trending, and the only way to have your videos reach multiple people is to create content that is newly trending. In your videos, you will need to direct your viewers to your affiliate links in your bio. To do so, you will need to have a call to action on all your videos. The call to action could be something like, if you would like to get this thing, item you are promoting, check link in my bio. It's that simple. It may take some time to gain the trust of your viewers, but the way to make sure you grow a loyal fan base is to make sure you consistently upload great trending content. With that being said, it's time to end our video. Would you consider making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing videos just like this.